In this video, we are going to show you this jump starter provided by Lokithor for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. A powerful 2500 amp jump starter, which can jump start about 50 times on a full charge. Compatible with gas engines under 8.5 liters or diesel engines under 6.5 liters. A 3.95-inch control panel, which displays battery levels, operation status, and specific error codes. It has a rugged enclosure rated at IP65 water resistant. Here we have your LED lights button. Hold for 2 seconds to turn on. 300 lumen flashlight. Press the button once. You have your red strobe. Press the button one more time. We have your red SOS. Hold down the button to switch off. This here is where you plug in your included jumper cable, and it just plugs right in. And on the other side, USB-A with an 18 watt max input, USB-C with a 100 watt max input or output used to charge other devices, your DC input at 60 watt max with an included DC adapter. Use the included USB-A cable and your included USB-C cable. Weighs in at about 2.35 pounds. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Features 10 safety protection tech, such as spark, reverse charge, overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, high and low temp, over voltage, and overload protection. Detect the voltage of a car battery in real time. Voltage above 8 volts. Attach clamps. Wait for green indicator flashing. Then start your car. Voltage below 8 volts. Attach clamps. Long press the power button and the LED button. Then start your car. About 36-month standby with a discharge rate of 0.69 milliamps on standby power. Cigarette lighter plug to DC. Interface charging cable to charge while on the go. Spark proof and reverse polarity protection. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.